Hi there, it's Kathy Topping from Copywriter in Your Pocket. In this short video, I'm going to take you through a tool that I've created called the Bot Genie. And this is an AI agent that I've created to help you turn your existing resources, so PDFs, worksheets, things that you might be using as freebies to grow your email lists or selling as digital products. And this tool takes what you've got and gives you then the prompt and instructions so that you can turn it into an AI agent or custom bot of your own. It's pretty exciting. So in this video, I'm going to take you through taking the transcript of a video that I've got and how it has turned it into the instructions to create a custom bot that helps people interested in the topic to actually implement what it is that I'm showing them in the video. So what you're looking at here is my Bot Genie. So as you can see, it's a tool that's embedded into my course platform. And if you want some training on how to build it like this, so it's not dependent on ChatGPT, take a look around this video because I've got various ways that I can help you bring something like this to life for yourself. Okay, so the Bot Genie here it starts here with this conversation starter. And as you can see, it's saying that it's going to help you turn one of your existing resources into a working AI tool that you can use, share, or sell. So the first instruction is to type go, which I've done here. Then what it asks to do is to upload the resource, your existing resource that you want to turn into an AI agent or a custom bot, and give it any context about what you want your bot to do. So in this instance, I pasted the transcript of a YouTube video that's been very popular, and I want it to give me the instructions to turn it into a custom bot. So the first thing the Genie does is give you some ideas based on what you've uploaded. So based on the transcript of this video, it's given me 5 ideas here. So looking through these, I decided that number 3, the Claude Project Setup Guide, would be the best one because that was really what the training video was about. So I've selected number 3. And then it asks about spelling. And that's because I'm in the UK, so I like all my prompts and instructions to be with UK spelling. You can also share any links that you would like to include in your custom bots. So for example, if you create one and the use of it is like a lead magnet, then you can have a link inside the bot to move people to a paid product. So I'm going to show you how this works in a second. So I've given it this link because the transcript of the video is a training that moves people into purchasing my Copywriter in Your Pocket course. And then what it does is behind the scenes, I've trained it on the frameworks and how to build out a really good prompt for an AI agent or a custom bot. So that's the next thing that it does. Once it's finished giving all the instructions, so you can take these here. These are the instructions that you would take and then build out your bot. But before you do that, you can ask it to test it for you so you can see it in action to make sure it's doing what you want it to do. So I've said, yes, please, can we test it? So now it's going to run a simulation. So the bot starts the conversation, the user says go, and then the bot gives this introductory information. And there's some back and forth. So I've just signed up. So this is, somebody's using this bot and they're new to using Claude Pro. And so then based on everything that was in the video, in the transcript, it's walking through the essentials. So this is kind of my methodology that it's sharing through the bot. And as you can see, it's back and forth, it's conversational. So the user can use this bot to kind of get what it needs out of the interaction. Pulled out some templates that I offered to share with the user. So it's created this really comprehensive tool that will be super valuable to people who are interested in what I was teaching inside that training video. And what I love about bots like this is that it's helping people to implement. So instead of just passively watching a video and then going off and trying to work out how to do it yourself, by having a bot as additional support, it allows your clients and your customers to actually get the thing done that you're trying to help them do. So as you can see now, this has done a very thorough simulation, which is brilliant because then I can look at it and see, is there any tweaks that I need to be done? Do I want it to work differently? And what I've said is, and so what I noticed is that it was sharing a lot of my methodology and pulling stuff out from the video, but it wasn't actually sharing the link very often. And so if I use this tool as a lead magnet, I want people who are interacting with it to be made aware that there is paid support as well if they're interested. So I've asked it to make sure that it shares the link that I've given it. And I also thought actually what might be good is to have the link back to the YouTube video as well. So they've got both. So now the Genie is going to update those instructions to reflect what it is that I want the tool to do. And then when that's done, I've asked it, can we run the simulation again? Okay, and you can see now that, yes, it's sharing a template, but it's also then putting through the call to action to visit the paid training right inside the bot. And it's continuing to simulate the conversation that it would have with a user. And again, it's pointing them to my paid course. It's also included the link back to the video. So this freebie is another way of sharing my methodology, of getting in front of another audience, and also pushing people back to my YouTube channel and really building up the ecosystem. So at this point, I'm really happy with this simulation and how it looks like it's going to work. So what I would do, my next step is to take the prompt that it's given me, which is a bit further up, so it's easy to just copy the prompt, and then I would build out my custom bot and then start testing it more thoroughly. This cuts down the work of building out these tools massively, and it's an amazingly efficient way for you to turn any existing resources that you've got into a custom bot that you can monetize, and also to help your clients and customers to implement what you're teaching them or helping them with. And it allows you to position yourself as an innovator, because not everyone is doing this right now. So if you'd like access to the Bot Genie, have a look around this video. There are a few different ways that I can help you create your custom bots by using it. And if you've got any questions at all, my name's Kathy Topping, and you can find me at Copywriter in Your Pocket.